Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on custom printing with Vistaprint, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Vistaprint website. Navigate to the Custom Products section. Browse through the range of products offered, such as business cards, flyers, and banners. Select the product that best fits your needs. Take note of the different sizes, finishes, and options available. Review the pricing for these options to identify potential savings. Consider selecting bulk quantities, as discounts often apply. Look for any ongoing promotions or special offers on the homepage. Sign up for the Vistaprint newsletter to receive exclusive deals. Use the design tools available to customize your product. Upload your own designs or choose from Vistaprint's templates. Preview your design to ensure everything looks as intended. Add the completed product to your shopping cart. Before proceeding to checkout, search for discount codes online. Apply any found discounts during the checkout process. Select your preferred shipping option, as this can affect the total cost. Review your order for accuracy before finalizing the purchase. Confirm your order and take note of the estimated delivery date. After receiving your order, check the quality of the prints. Evaluate your overall experience with Vistaprint for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.